My stomach was hurting really, really bad, other than the normal contractions. I like to say at the 11th hour, we get in the room, Gerard's cut out. A few seconds in, he's having seizures, and no one knows why. They rode him straight into the NICU, and then I was in the recovery room. And in the recovery room, there was a doctor who came in and said that he was a neurologist, and he was going to put Gerard on phenobarbital and phenytoin because he had seizures. Myself and his father asked him why was he having the seizures, and he said he did not know. So the next day, he was not getting better. They had to put him on oxygen because he was not breathing well. On the 4th day, I finally got a chance to speak to that neurologist again, and he told me, I don't know why he's having seizures. So I said, his head looks very large. You know, is there a reason why? And he said, oh, I don't know. But they told me he was good to go. And they discharged him. And the very next day, I had him set up to see his pediatrician. We're not even in there 5 minutes before she sends him straight to the ER because she said he was gray, which was a sign of something was failing inside of him. And also the fontanelles in the front of his brain were extremely full. The only way they missed it is because they wanted to, they did not care, or negligent pretty much, or they just don't have the proper training. You know, that's pretty much where the ball was dropped for Gerard. And also letting the cord sit around his neck 2-3 times, letting the heart rate drop. I believe all of that played a factor. So once I called the baby birth injury lawyers, the very next day I received the packet with all of their information, the type of cases that they take on. I was very grateful because I got a personal phone call from the head baby birth injury lawyer. Once I got to know them, they helped me with everything. You know, this team is wonderful, and I want to credit them that when the pandemic hit, my case was going, and they still got it done in record time. If you suspect your child was a victim of medical malpractice, the Baby Birth Injury Lawyers Group is the team to call.